guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how to detox your locks with the apple cider vinegar rinse. And basically what you're going to need in this particular video is some hot water, not too hot so that you don't burn your client, but maybe a fourth of the way in the sink. You're going to start off with some apple cider vinegar to detox. You're going to need some lemon juice. You're also going to need some sea salt, and then you're going to need your baking powder. So basically, I'm going to put the measurements down below so that you can see what I actually use, which is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm also going to use a half a cup of baking soda. You're going to stir this up, you guys, to make sure that the product is into the water. You don't want any product left over because that's the whole purpose of the detox. You're also going to add in some sea salt, which is 1 tablespoon of sea salt. You're going to add that into your liking. It doesn't necessarily have to be 1 tablespoon, just whatever you feel like is beneficial for the detox. And then you're going to add your apple cider vinegar, which is going to be 3½ cups of that. And once you pour the apple cider vinegar in, you're going to see it start to foam. That means it has been activated and you're ready to detox those locks. So you guys, basically when you're detoxing locks, you are actually opening the cuticle and it's actually penetrating into the hair shaft so that it actually gets all of the dirt out. So you don't want to do this too much, maybe 3 times a year if that, basically because it's blowing the cuticle open to a pH 9 and healthy hair is about 4.5 to 5.5. So now we're going to get started, you guys. We're starting everything up and we're going to get our client and get ready to detox her locks. Now you guys, her locks are long and she does hard labor work, so her hair does get a lot of buildup. So this was the perfect time to detox her locks. So you're going to start by dipping your client's locks into the sink. Basically starting at the tips and then working your way down to the roots. In this one here, I'm going to just actually do her roots and mid shaft of her locks. And as you can see, you guys, if you are doing this correctly, the water should be turning colors from a clear to a kind of like a muddy brown color, kind of like dirt. That means that the buildup is coming out. And you guys, sometimes you have to do this more than 1 time just because it's not going to get everything out in its entirety in the beginning. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, as you can see, the water is no longer clear. That means the dirt has actually came out of the locks. Again, it's not all the way out, so I'm going to go in with a second rinse, you guys, so that I can get to her root area and actually detox that part too. So I'm going to drain this particular dirty water out, and then I'm going to run some more and do the same ingredients into this particular mixture. If you didn't see the ingredients, they were in the very beginning, but I'll go ahead and list them below, which is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, a half a cup of baking soda, and 3½ cups of apple cider vinegar. You actually do not want to put a lot of water because you don't want it to be like you put too much ice in a drink and it's watery. You don't want that for this particular solution because it's supposed to detox the locks. So again, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and fill the sink up and start to dip her hair back into the water. guys, time for round 2. So we're going ahead and take the locks, and this time we're doing a dunk. So we're going to take her hair and dip her head into the solution, touching the root area as well as the entire lock. So you want to make sure that you are dipping everything in and kind of like you're shampooing the hair. So you want to get to the root area to make sure that the dirt comes out. Build up does start at the root and then it works its way down to the hair shaft. So you want to make sure that this time the locks are in the water entirely. The first time, you guys, the water was a tad bit too hot for her, so she couldn't dunk in. So don't make sure that the water is not too hot that the client can't stand it, but you do want to make sure that you are using hot water. I also am going in with my Cantu apple cider vinegar rinse, and I'm going to put that in the root area just to ensure that I am getting all of the buildup out of her locks. So you guys, I will let you keep watching until I get to the end of the video. Okay, you guys, as you can see, the water is yet discolored again. It is no longer clear, which means that the solution is working. So you guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you sum this video up, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And once you finish this detox, you guys, make sure that you shampoo and condition the hair. It is a very harsh chemical that you're putting on the hair, so make sure you deep condition and shampoo it. Stay tuned for part 2 when I show you how I retwist the locks, which I go in depth on how I integrate the new growth into the lock. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, stay tuned.